The Super Tough sectional flagpole is a beautiful and easy-to-install choice for flying a flag at your home or business. Available in 20 or 25-foot sizes, Super Tough flagpoles are designed to withstand storms and heavy winds and offer commercial-grade quality without the price. With a wall thickness of 1/8 inch, these aluminum poles are twice as thick as residential poles. And with a taper from 3 inches on the bottom to 1 7/8 inches on the top, the pole is strong and durable. These poles come in sections, meaning they can be inexpensively shipped and easily handled. Super Tough sectional poles are simple to assemble and can be installed without expert assistance. Poles are available in 4 colors: satin, bronze, black, and clear. These poles are designed to fly 1 large flag or 2 smaller flags at once. Each pole comes with fittings, accessories, and a topper. Super Tough poles are made in the USA and come with a lifetime warranty. For an affordable, beautiful, and durable way to display a flag, nothing beats a Super Tough sectional pole. Visit United States Flag Store to purchase this pole and others like it, as well as accessories.